this is the first slide of my PowerPoint. Obviously, the title is slide number 1, which is not necessary or persuasive. The background is this really ugly virus theme that I picked up for a presentation during the pandemic. And the font is a wall of text, which is a violation of the 6x6 rule, and also the no text rule is bright red on a blue background, which makes for this terrible 3D glasses type effect that is unreadable on its own. But the typeface I chose is the Google font faster one, but I've italicized it, which makes it look like it's going faster, so I call it fastest one. I've also bolded and underlined it, which makes it effectively unintelligible. So this is a terrible slide. The words, if you could read them, don't even say anything useful. This is the second slide, where I also use the same theme, and it's a single sentence with nothing interesting, definitely more than six words. Oh, and the animation has come around, and it flew directly off of the screen. This is the third slide. There's a smiley face in the title, which is not professional. I use a mix of fonts here, including the gamer font with the sad face, effectively to show that not voting is sad, and this stock image of a stamp with a X over it, because if you don't have a stamp, you can't vote. And then this is the first good slide. It's got a dark background. It's a simple image of an absentee ballot request and voter registration card. This is the second slide, which shows the 6x6 rule. This first bullet point has 6 words. It's in a light font on a dark background, and underneath there are 3 balanced bullet points that is basically the outline of the speech. So this fits the rules. It's in a nice Helvetica font, so it's easy to read. It's not distracting. And then the third slide is a stamp with the tech logo on it, which would be a visual for the Texas Tech program where they give out stamps and talk about absentee ballot and absentee voting. And so this is an effective visual aid for explaining the program that I would be establishing with my project, with my persuasive policy speech. Thank you.